alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters. Hope you're doing well. Today, inshallah, we coming for the new lesson, the new topic, which is called standing Fatha, standing Kasra, and standing Zama. My dear, before we did simple Fatha and double Fatha. Now, before we did simple Fatha, simple Kasra, and simple Dhamma. And then we did double fatha, double kasra, and double zamma. So right now we are going to do the standing fatha, standing kasra, and standing dhamma, right? So if you look, this is top, this is called standing fatha, and the below of the letter it's called standing zamma, and this is fatha kasra, and this is standing dhamma, right? Standing fatha, standing kasra, standing dhamma, right? Okay, so in this lesson we will do this one. So you need to understand the differentiation between fatha and the standing fatha. My dear, if you remember, I told you, for example, this is jim and you have top on jim is fatha. I told you when you read the fatha simple, you say ju, jaji ju, you read quick. Okay, so when you have standing zamma, you need to make long. Okay, if standing zamma or standing kasra or standing fatha is used for long. Okay, it's pulling. Okay, so like I'm going to read, you need to follow me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and I'm going to start ba standing fatha ba. Okay, ba standing fatha ba, ba standing kasra b, and ba standing dhamma boo. It's going to be ba b boo. Okay, so one more sign, if you remember, I told you that is called mud. Okay, so standing zamma is used for making long, but also mud is used for making long. Okay, for example, the letter is here meme. Okay, on top is meme mud. There is a meme, on top is meme is standing fatha. In standing fatha you stretch like small little bit. Okay, you don't stretch too much. On the mud you stretch longer. Okay, you make longer, you say ma, and the simple fatha you say ma. You need to clarify the differentiation between mud and standing fatha. If you stretching mud like if you stretching standing fatha or standing kasra like mud, so it's become it's no differentiation. Okay, it's become same. Okay, so you need to clarify, you need to differentiation between mud and standing fatha. So this is the this one differentiation between fatha and standing fatha and mud. Okay, so you need to remember, and mud standing fatha is very important role in the reading. For example, in the Quran somebody say jannatin. Jannatin mean the lords of jannah, garden. Jannah mean garden. Garden is one garden. If you say Jannat, it's mean lots of garden. It's become plural. Jannah, Jannatin is singular. Jannatin, if you make long, it's become plural. Okay, when we started Quran, I will tell you the differentiation of the meaning. How the meaning will be changed into plural to singular according to stretching. Okay, this lesson is most important, very important. It's look like very simple, but my dear, it's not simple. You need to implement the rule here. You need to practice, you need to read law or a lot of times. So after that you will be realized in the real words. Okay, when you start the Quran, you need to implement these things. Okay, if you making mistake, it's mean these rule is you are not applicable the rules. All right, so I'm going to start. You need to read loud and you need to follow me. Ba standing fatha ba, ba standing kasra b, ba standing dhamma boo, ba b boo. Okay, one more thing you need to remember, whenever you reading the standing fatha, standing kasra, standing zama, you don't put voice in your nose. Okay, Just avoid to putting the voice in nose. You don't say ma bi boo. It is wrong. It is totally wrong. Okay, like if you say ma mi moo. Okay, if you read ma mi moo, it is wrong. Yes, ma mi moo. Simple. Don't put voice in your nose when you reading these standing fatha, standing kasra, standing zama. Okay, and the middle letters. Okay, next one. Ya standing fatha ya. Ya standing kasra yi. Ya standing dhamma you. Ya yi you. Next is Ra standing fatha ra. Ra standing kasra ri. Ra standing dhamma ru. Ra ri ru. If you say wrong ri, if you putting voice in the nose, that is wrong. Okay, just please remember. Next one. Meme standing fatha ma. Meme standing kasra mi. Meme standing dhamma mu. Mu mu. If you say mu, it's wrong. Ma mi mu. Ma mi mu. Okay, next. Lam standing fatha la. Lam standing kasra li. Lam standing dhamma lu. La li lu. Wow standing fatha wa. Wow standing kasra we. Wow standing dhamma wu. Wa we wu. Next now. Noon standing fatha na. Noon standing kasra ni. Noon standing dhamma nu. Na ni nu. And next is Hamza standing fatha a. Hamza standing kasra e. Hamza standing dhamma o. It's going to be a e o. Okay dear. Next is ha. Ha standing fatha ha. Ha standing kasra he. Ha standing dhamma hu. Ha he hu. Next. Ain standing fatha. Ain standing kasra I. Ain standing dhamma u. I u. Next. Ha standing fatha ha. Ha standing kasra he. Ha standing dhamma hu. Ha he hu. Next one is Ghain standing fatha gha. Ghain standing kasra ghi. Ghain standing dhamma ghu. Gha ghi ghu. Okay, so you have more lines in the next page. I'm going to showing you. Okay, this one is the next part. Okay, so look now, there are more letters. Okay, and you need to put, and with the whole letters you need to put the sound. And the next one, if you look, there is more letter. Okay, so like I'm going to read. Okay, you need to apply this standing fatha and standing kasra and standing zama with the each and every letter. Okay, now look. Kha standing fatha kha. Kha standing kasra khi. Kha standing dhamma khu. Going be kha khi khu. And the next will be ta standing fatha ta. Ta standing kasra ti. Ta standing dhamma tu. Ta ti tu. And next will Tha standing fatha tha. Tha standing kasra thi. Tha standing dhamma thu. Tha thi thu. Jim standing fatha, ja. Jim standing kasra, ji. Jim standing dhamma, ju. Ja, ji, ju. Dal standing fatha, da. Dal standing kasra, di. Dal standing dhamma, do. Da, di, do. And the next is dal. Dal standing fatha, the. Dal standing kasra, the. Dal standing dhamma, the. The, the. And the next is za. Za standing fatha, za. Za standing kasra, z. Za standing dhamma, zu. Za, z, zoo. Okay, I'm going reading direct now. You need to read with the spelling. Okay, sa, si, su, sha, she, shu, saw, sui, su, the, the, ta, tui, tu, the, the, fa, fi, fu, qa. This is bold. All right, bold. Qa, qi, qu, ka, ki, ku. This one is Hamza now. A, I, U, ha, he, hu, wa, we, wu, ha, he, hu, a, I, u. So my dear, these are the standing fatha, standing kasra, standing zamma lessons. Okay, I hope you understand. So I'm going to summarize now what you need to remember when you need to differentiate between standing fatha and simple fatha. Standing fatha is used for making long, stretching, pulling, and the simple fatha is read quick. A, I, U, right? And the second thing, you need to differentiate between mad and the simple fatha, standing fatha. In the mad is used for longer, okay, and the simple fatha, standing fatha, is long, not too much like mad, okay. And this is an example of mad, ma, and the example of standing fatha, ma, okay. You need to clarify the differentiation. And the third thing is, remember, when you reading the standing fatha lesson, standing kasra, standing zamma, you never put y's in your nose. Like for example, ma, mi, mu. This is wrong. You say ma, mi, mu. All right. So these three things, this is the key point of the lesson. You must be remember. Okay. So I hope you understand. Okay. So we will meet in the next lesson, and take care of yourself. Inshallah, we will see you next lesson. Okay. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.